Techno Industrial Products offers sanding pads of air sanders. These sanding pads are available in 2-inch, 2.5-inch, 3-inch, 3.5-inch, 5-inch, and 6-inch sizes. All the sizes have option of vinyl and Velcro to paste the disc, and also have vacuum and non-vacuum options. 5-inch size have 6 holes and 5-hole option also. Size 2-inch to 3-inch have screw size 6 millimeters, and above that screw size is 8 millimeters. All the Techno Sanding Pads come with 6 rivets punching, which provide them longer life, and also made up of virgin material for longer life. Unbeatable quality and a wide range to choose from. Thanks for watching.